Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So as you've been probably watching over the last few weeks, I have been decluttering quite a bit in the house, and I've shared with you how I've decluttered my craft room. I've talked a little bit about being on a budget for the month of September, and now we're rolling into October, and I'm hoping to kind of stick to that as well, where I'm not bringing as many things into the house and I'm just trying to clear out spaces and also organize. So organization has been probably at the top of my list recently, and of course, knowing that I absolutely love Dollar Tree, I thought I would share with you guys an organizer's guide to Dollar Tree, because there are so many wonderful items that you will find there. So I wanted to share with you a little bit of a run through Dollar Tree, all the aisles and what you can find there. I also wanted to mention, if you need assistance in tips on how to organize your home or even just your life, your day-to-day life, Skillshare is an awesome online community that I highly recommend you visiting. I have talked a little bit about them in the past in my videos. I've taken their videography class, I've taken budgeting with them, I've even taken some organization and decluttering. Now I'm kind of focusing on the whole organization of the home, so I've taken to some of their classes. They are an online website and an app that you can download onto your phone, making it super easy to use. I want to say thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video today. They are a community with over 25,000 classes available to you. So anything from business to hobby you can find on there, like guitar lessons or piano lessons. I've talked a little bit about crafts. There's the hand lettering that I've also tried their class, but I failed that miserably. That's just on my part. I'm not good at hand lettering. And I mean that like freestyle hand lettering for crafts. So I do really depend probably on stencils and my Cricut machine for that. But yeah, I wanted to let you know that if you follow the link in the description down below, they are offering 2 free months for you to try out their program. And also their premium membership is very, very affordable. It's no more than $10 a month, and that unlocks, they're giving you access to the premium membership as well with this the free link down below. However, the premium membership unlocks all of the features on there so that you have access to anything really you can imagine. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to hear from you how you're organizing your home, or if there's any little tips and tricks that you have from the Dollar Tree as well from when you go in. We all look at items differently, so hopefully we can all help each other and inspire some more organization and less things in our home. Until next time, everyone, I want to say thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye for now. These are fabric, and they're collapsible storage containers that work perfectly under a sink. They are nice and sturdy, and the wonderful thing is they also work really nice in a closet up above. They're easy to pull out. They have little handles, and there's nice colors as well, so that they can match your home decor. They work really nicely in this cube storage units as well that you probably have seen from IKEA. These little bags are wonderful for travel because they are water resistant, and you can kind of see what's inside of them, so they do come with 2. You will also find a lot of the self-storage bags at the Dollar Tree. So you'll find sweater storage bags, dress storage bags, and this will just help you organize your closet and make your space a lot more efficient. You will also find that they have different sizes. So keep that in mind when you're browsing this section, that they'll have these heavy-duty storage bags in all sizes. They even have the vacuum storage bags, making it so that you have more room to store away your goods. Don't overlook the hangers, because these come in handy under cabinets, over doors, also in the pantry. So always keep in mind that you can use these for organizing and storing things really nicely in your home. In the kitchen area, you're always going to find little storage bins like these. Now, they are customizable, so you can take them, the different sizes, and you'll see that they have these little hooks on the side. So once you connect them, they will all stay in place in a drawer, which makes it so nice when you're organizing utensils. Another place you'll find some great bins for storing things in your refrigerator is down in the regular organization part of Dollar Tree. So there are some really great bins with little handles and pull-out handles that you can use for storing pantry items, but also for organizing your refrigerator. These are also very similar to the Rubbermaid. So they have the non-slip little tabs underneath and a non-slip on the inside. And the wonderful thing about these containers are they fit into one another. So you can take one of these, and sometimes you'll find bigger containers where you can really customize all the little individual compartments. Then you have your organizer baskets like these, which are great for if you have sponges and you need to kind of have an airflow. These little baskets are so simple looking, but they're some of my favorite go-tos at the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love them for organizing my craft room, especially like my little ink pads, die cuts. You can use them also for any stationery if you have little notepads. Some of them come in a 2-pack, some of them come in a 3-pack. They even work really well with pencils and pens. These are brand new at the Dollar Tree. They are metal, and I think they're just so stylish. How cute would these be as your letter tray, mail in and out in your kitchen setup or office? These little baskets for home decor. You can set them up for Easter or fall. Really super cute and trendy little baskets that they've come out with. I'm so happy that they keep putting these things out. The little utensil trays, these ones here up at the top, are wonderful for organizing, of course, your utensils, but also any loose pens, pencils, your glue, scissors. I love these under my sinks. They fit toiletries very nicely, and you can just pull it out, lift it up, bring everything out, and then put it away. The square type containers are great for the Alex cabinets from IKEA. These are some of my favorite for storing shoes. I love these clear bins for storing shoes. I can see everything I have up at the top. Some of my other favorite items are these here. So in my pantry, you'll find a lot of my canned goods displayed on this step shelf. And it works out really nicely because you can see everything from the front to the back of your pantry. And these here I actually use for my pots and pans, but for the lids. So all my lids are standing up vertically and underneath my cabinet. This here can easily be transformed into a basket type style. You can wrap rope around it or even a material and make it a really cute basket in a kid's room for their toys or plushies. I wanted to share with you that there are 2 sizes of these little cubes right now. So this storage basket is much smaller than this one. And they work really well in the Calyx units made by the IKEA brand. So just wanted to give you a heads up on this size here. These are one of my favorite on my rolling cart caddy. I put all my pens, markers, pencils, sharpeners, everything that you need for a homework station right in there for the kids. Another item you will find that's pretty practical are these types of little storage containers. They have these little pop-ups. They're like little legs, and then that gives them the ability to stack on top of one another. These are really nice for kids' rooms as well. These are great if you live in a dorm and you need to bring your toiletries to your shared washroom. The water will easily escape the sides there and keep your things nice and dry. A couple other options here. So these are a bit thinner, and they're just plastic, not like the nice metal ones. These ones are awesome for school. So if you have kids that have their mitts and their change of shoes up on top of there or in a locker, those are really nice and handy to just pull out. These little letter trays are stackable as well. So you'll see they have a little insert there, a little leg. They pinch into one another. It's hard to do with one hand, but just wanted to give you an example. There are so many pantry storage solutions at the Dollar Tree, and right now they have these beautiful, nice, clear storage containers made by Betty Crocker that you can easily put flour and bake your baking sugars, beans, all sorts of dry goods, pastas. There are different sizes. So you'll have like the lower and then the wider. These are great for your craft room as well. So if you have yarn or just beads and things like that that are loose, you need to store them. So here's another option for storing your beans. Clear container with lid or cereals for kids to pour out. And these are wonderful as well, especially for school snacks, but also storing little things, craft room purposes. The SureFresh also has a nice option here because they have the square, they have the round. One of my favorites are actually ones that have the dividers like these here. So I have all my Halloween craft goodies in here. So I have little pom-poms, just different little embellishments, and they're all separated into their little cubbies, and I love it. These containers also work really well to store hair accessories. These have side snaps, so they're really great for keeping your vegetables or fruits that are pre-cut really nice and fresh. If you have a coffee bar, you'll tend to have cinnamon or white chocolate powder or cocoa powder, and these work really nice for just shaking that on top of a hot chocolate or a coffee. So keep in mind that when you're in the Dollar Tree, you take a look at the glassware because you will find some beautiful containers like this that you can store flour, beans, all sorts of pantry goods. And mason jars. Some of them are actually labeled with measuring options and some are just plain. And then you have different sizes of these beautiful glass containers. Usually there are really tall ones as well. In the pet aisle, you will find plastic containers that are great for storing your pet's treats or even dry foods. These are awesome organizer cases in the craft area for your washi, any like little thumbtacks, paper clips. You will find all sorts of organization options for your desk and office space. In the craft aisle, you'll find these little tin containers, which are great for spices, but then you also have mini plastic containers, which are great for loose beads, little metal embellishments, little trinkets that you have in your craft room that need storage, even paper clips. Some of my favorite organizers are from the makeup department. So you'll find these beautiful acrylic organizers. This one here has a lid, so you can stack things up on top of one another. You can organize your nail polishes, lipsticks, craft items such as your little scissors and glue sticks, and just the tools you use in your craft room. These ones here work really nice as well for embossing powders if you need to store them all in line. And I've shared that in my craft tour before. If you're looking for ideas on how to store craft items specifically, these I love for my die cuts and some of my Alex drawers from IKEA. They work really nicely. They're just the right size. Definitely don't overlook the clear storage area in your makeup aisle. While you're browsing through Dollar Tree, always keep an eye out for any containers. Like these little pill storage containers are awesome for other little knickknacks in your home. So just keep an open mind when you're looking for storage, that the Dollar Tree has pretty much anything you can think of. Until next time, everyone, I hope you found this video helpful, and I thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.